Hi, my people. I have here an article about the 5G ventilators, and this is not good at all. So, they're using ventilators operated by 5G, and it's contributing to the death of our people. This article is dated yesterday, April 9th, 2020. Wireless equipment company JMA designs ventilator for COVID-19 battle. Syracuse, New York. JMA, the U.S. leader in 5G wireless technology and software-based communication systems, has formed Prevail New York, an LLC dedicated to design and manufacture of an emergency medical ventilation system. The plans for the device are available as a free, open source design for manufacturers globally. 2 weeks ago, we heard the plan around the world for more ventilators, said Dave Jackson, president of Transmission Line Systems of JMA. We sat down to determine what we could do to help with our engineering talent and manufacturing capabilities. In only a week and a half, the team developed a manufacturer design that we call Prevail New York. Really? Prevail New York. Really? JMA led the point effort that includes Dr. John Callahan, a physician of internal medicine at Syracuse University. In preclinical testing, the system was able to provide and restore ventilation in acute respiratory distress syndrome damaged lungs. In addition to developing the open source design, Prevail New York LLC estimates its immediate manufacturing capacity at hundreds of systems per week. Our manufacturers can sign up to download the free design specifications and components list at jmawireless.com to quickly scale production. The team is ready to jumpstart manufacturing here in New York State, and devices can also be built at our facility in Bologna, Italy, for their local needs, said John Megalini, CEO and founder of JMA, which formed Prevail New York LLC. This emergency ventilation system takes advantage of existing medical equipment and marries it to a unique medical apparatus, says Dr. Callahan. I am excited about its familiarity to physicians around the world and that it has many of the same technical components that are common to existing ventilators. I am amazed by its creation in only 10 days. Prevail New York is designed to augment the existing ventilator supply in the short term when no other traditional U.S. FDA approved ventilation options are available, providing key basic ventilation functions to relieve doctors of the need to make life and death decisions due to ventilator shortages. The design supports rapid manufacturing by leveraging readily available parts such as motors, controllers, and standard sheet metal compatibilities meant for mass production. The approximate cost to produce is less than $500. It uses an FDA-approved manual resuscitator kit known as a bag valve mask or AMBU bag, which hospitals carry in quantity. The system supports the low tidal volume ventilation strategy for acute respiratory distress syndrome, as used in patients with COVID-19. This device provides control of three key ventilation functions: respiratory rate, breaths per minute; tidal volume, how much air is delivered; and inspiratory-expiratory inhale-to-exhale ratio. The device is compatible with components that retain humidification and offer EPA filtration. Prevail New York stands for Pandemic Response Emergency Ventilation, assembled in Liverpool, New York. The design has not yet been authorized for emergency use by the FDA or any other regulatory body. Prevail New York has submitted an initial application to the FDA for emergency use authorization, EAU, and will submit additional information and documentation in the coming days in the hopes of securing an EUA for the device. This is not good, clearly. This is very bad. So I also read a comment from someone who's a retired physician, and she talked about this technology. And I believe we should all take heed to it. This is very bad. And I would also suggest that nobody takes this COVID-19 swab test. They're probably contaminated with the virus.